It's a very difficult competition to judge. The standard is so high, we may have to go to some shared prizes, so high is the standard. So the excitement waits. In fourth place, again in reverse order, we have Patrick in fourth place. A round of applause for Patrick. Ooh, make sure we get the right rosette, that would be a crime. There we are, Patrick, fourth place for Patrick. And in third place, Ragley. In third place, Ragley. A round of applause for Ragley. And in second place, we have Samson. So a round of applause for Samson. Excellent. What a fine looking dog. And we come now to our first prize, and so tough and challenging was the competition, we are going to, I think, make joint first prizes. It's been so hard to tell apart. Oscar and Enzo, joint first prize. Big round of applause for Oscar and Enzo. Well done. So, if all the owners want to come over and pick up their treats, big round of applause for all the competitors. They've been excellent and wonderfully well behaved. Just a reminder again, just Jill.
I mean, I know that they'll always be motivated.
Just to remind as the competitors for their most handsome dog prepare to leave, that our next competition is for the best puppy under 18 months. I know for those who've already registered that, if they want to gather shortly at the front. I think there's just a couple of extra registrations taking place. Oh.